Good morning, Valley. Today on Valley por Vida, we are learning all about the surprising connection between hearing health and the coronavirus pandemic. We're also checking out beautiful new homes in the Upper Valley, architectural designs that are modern and encourage a socially engaging neighborhood. Now, we've got info on how you can keep your pets safe all day, every day for Lost Dog Awareness Day, plus info on a special event in Brownsville that can benefit you and your family. There's so much going on, and we've got all of those details. Valley por Vida starts right now. Hi there, and thanks again for joining us this morning. I'm your host, Danielle Banda. Well, there's a surprising connection between hearing health and the coronavirus pandemic. Now, we know COVID-19 may affect people's ability to taste and smell, but instances of hearing loss are also emerging. Diane Nens, audiologist and senior clinical director for United Healthcare Hearing, joins us now to explain.
There may be some connection between COVID-19 and hearing loss. There have been some limited instances where hearing loss has been reported following a COVID-19 infection. Research is being done. However, it's still in the stages of infancy, so we don't know exactly what that connection is between COVID-19 and hearing loss. However, we do know that COVID-19 affects multiple aspects of the body. But importantly, we are concerned that some people with hearing loss may be delaying treatment due to exposure concerns with in-person medical appointments. Important to know that hearing loss is extremely common and can affect anyone at any age. In fact, there's a growing number of people at risk due to an aging population and environmental factors such as exposure to loud sounds. So the common signs may include turning up the volume on the TV or radio that others find too loud, trouble hearing on the phone, and difficulty following conversations in noisy environments. And I will say the early stages of hearing loss, many times people have hope that the problem will eventually improve or go away. But typically, it occurs very gradual over time, and at first, it's not uncommon for friends or family to notice that their loved one has hearing loss before they even realize. There have been new advances, and the advances are making it more convenient and affordable to access hearing healthcare and treatment. So for example, the online testing. If people suspect that they might have hearing loss, or if it's been many years since they've been tested, they can start by going to an online hearing test, such as UnitedHealthcareHearing.com. And if hearing loss is detected, we can schedule an in-person eval with one of our hearing health professionals. We also are very excited. We have a new Right to You program, and that's our virtual care program. And I will say that COVID-19 really accelerated the implementation of that.
Now, new advances are making it more convenient and affordable to access hearing health care and treatment, and you can learn more at uhchearing.com. Well, April the 23rd marked National Lost Dog Awareness Day, but what we learned is that things that we'll carry with us each and every day as pet owners. So it's vital to know about the ways that we can keep our canines safe with tips and tricks to bring them back home if ever lost. In case you missed it, our team dropped by the Humane Society of Harlingen to learn more. Go ahead and take a look. Hi everybody, Sarah here with the Humane Society of Harlingen. April is Lost Dog Awareness Month, so there's no better time to make sure that your pet is prepared if he or she were to ever get out of your home. The best thing that you can do for your pet is make sure that they're microchipped and make sure that the information attached to the microchip is up to date. Microchipping is super easy and can be done as a curbside service here at the Humane Society of Harlingen any day of the week for only $25. If you're interested, give us a call or come by the shelter. It's the best thing you can do to make sure that your pet doesn't end up lost or homeless. Sarah's team is always looking to provide homeless cats and dogs with care and the opportunity to find their forever home. Now, if you'd like to adopt one of these pets and become a 956 champion, then feel free to visit their location in Harlingen, or of course you can always log on to hshtx.org. All right, well, this February, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services announced that people who were unable to change their Medicare Part D drug plan or their Medicare Advantage plan enrollment due to COVID-19 pandemic, then they can go ahead and use a major disaster special enrollment period to join or change a 2021 Medicare plan. Now, the SEP began in February and it continues only through April the 30th of this year. So if you are a Medicare eligible and were not able to take advantage of an enrollment period like your initial enrollment period, the annual open enrollment period, or a separate special enrollment period, then you have until April the 30th this year to enroll in, disenroll from, or change your Medicare Part D or Medicare Advantage plan coverage. Now, it can be tough to navigate through all of this information, but luckily the team at Prominence Health Plan is here and ready to help. Check it out.
So if you live in Stark County, Hidalgo County, Brooks County, or Webb County, Prominence Health Plan can be a plan that is ready for you to be explored. Those counties have agents, they have brokers, they have offices that are available for you to check in. And if you make the call to the number provided below, you have the opportunity to listen and review with someone who is licensed what actually you can qualify for and how those services can benefit you moving forward. Take advantage of April 30th, that's the extension, and in that number you can have more information. So one of the greatest advantages when you turn 65 or over is the opportunity to actually select a healthcare coverage plan that best suits you. And one of the biggest differences between a Medicare Advantage plan and a traditional Medicare are the additional benefits that you're able to receive from a Medicare Advantage plan. So in addition to just healthcare coverage, so your pharmacy is covered, your prescription drugs are covered, you also have additional services like transportation, perhaps a dental plan or vision, a hearing plan, a meal plan, things that are added into your care in order to ensure that your total health is cared for. So Prominence Health Plan gives you the opportunity through a Medicare Advantage plan to actually add those services into your health and into your wellness. If you're interested in signing up for a Medicare Advantage plan or just simply going into the Medicare health coverage, you can go to mymedicare.gov or medicare.gov, and in that space, in that website, you will find additional information. You can also call the number that you see on screen, and on this number, someone on the other side would actually guide you through the process of how to sign up for Prominence Health Plan for sure, but for sure any information that you need will be provided by someone who is licensed, a broker, and someone that's going to guide you through that process and engage you in really ensuring that you have the right benefits, that you have the right coverage, that you have the right services available to you. So one of the examples of Prominence Health Plan that gives you an opportunity to actually receive additional benefits is, for example, April is oral screening cancer month. And so during this month, we will have the opportunity to provide you a free oral health screening. In other words, call us at the number 956-238-2360, and you can schedule an appointment. Every Friday, we'll be offering free services to do an oral health screening to make sure that you are headed in the right direction with your oral health. And so give us a call, 956-238-2360. And every Friday from 8 o'clock in the morning to 12 p.m., you can have an opportunity to get your oral health screened.
The team at Prominence Health Plan has been keeping families, businesses, and communities healthy by providing quality care for over 25 years. They're professional and passionate about helping you, so don't hesitate to talk to them. If you'd like more information, feel free to visit their office at 1700 South 10th Street in the city of McAllen, and you can also always visit prominencehealthplan.com. All right, well, it's now time to take a commercial break, and then we've got to look at your local weather updates. But stay tuned because Valley por Vida will be back, and we'll be dropping by the city of Brownsville to learn about a special event that can keep you and your family's health intact. Those details and more when we get back.